Welcome back everyone to Satoshi Finance, your go-to destination for practical and empowering financial advice. Today we're diving into a topic that holds the key to financial peace of mind, building an emergency fund. Now, we all know life has a way of throwing unexpected curveballs our way, whether it's a sudden medical expense, a car repair, or any of life's little surprises. That's where the concept of an emergency fund comes into play. Financial stability is like the solid foundation of a house. It's the bedrock upon which we build our dreams and aspirations. And guess what? An emergency fund is the cornerstone of that stability. Think of it as your financial safety net, ready to catch you when life throws a curveball. Today's video is all about empowering you with practical tips and step-by-step guidance to build your very own emergency fund. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to fine-tune your money management skills, stick around because we've got you covered. Throughout this video, I'll be breaking down the process into manageable steps, sharing insights, and giving you the tools you need to create a robust emergency fund. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's embark on this journey together towards financial resilience. Without further ado, let's jump into the world of emergency funds and how you can build one to secure your financial future. Ready? Let's go. Now that we've established the importance of having an emergency fund, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of setting financial goals. It's not just about stashing away some cash, it's about creating a financial safety net that aligns with your unique situation. So grab a notepad, we're getting into the specifics. First things first, I want to emphasize the power of setting specific financial goals for your emergency fund. It's not a one-size-fits-all scenario. I encourage you to think about saving 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This range provides a solid buffer against unexpected financial setbacks, giving you peace of mind to navigate life's uncertainties without breaking a sweat. Now, how do we determine the appropriate size for your emergency fund? Well, it's not just about throwing darts at a number, it's a thoughtful process. Consider factors like your monthly expenses. Think rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and factor in your income stability. Are you in a field with consistent employment, or does it ebb and flow? These are crucial considerations. Additionally, your personal risk tolerance plays a role. Are you someone who sleeps better at night knowing you have a larger financial cushion? Or are you comfortable with a more modest emergency fund? As we explore these factors, remember that your emergency fund is a personalized financial tool designed to fit your life. So let's take a closer look at setting realistic financial goals and tailoring them to your unique circumstances. Ready to turn those goals into actionable steps? Let's get started. Now that we've got our eyes on the prize with our emergency fund goals, it's time to roll up our sleeves and delve into the magic of budgeting. I know, the word budget might sound a bit restrictive, but trust me, it's your ticket to financial freedom. So let's break it down together. First things first, why budget? Well, consider it as your financial GPS. It helps you understand where your money is going, identify areas where you can cut back, and most importantly, allocate those precious funds towards building your emergency fund. It's not about deprivation. It's about making intentional choices with your money. Now let's talk practical tips. Creating a budget doesn't have to be an overwhelming task. Start by tracking your expenses. It sounds simple, but it's a game changer. Apps, spreadsheets, or good old pen and paper. Find a method that works for you. It's all about understanding your spending habits. Next up, identify areas for potential savings. Are there subscription services you rarely use? Dining out a bit too often? These are your opportunities to redirect money towards your emergency fund. It's like finding hidden treasures in your own financial landscape. Remember, budgeting is not about restriction, it's about empowerment. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. So, let's explore the world of budgeting together. Uncover those financial gems and set the stage for a robust emergency fund. Ready to take control of your financial destiny? Let's do this. Now that we've mastered the art of budgeting, let's talk about a game-changing strategy to supercharge your emergency fund automation. Think of it as the set it and forget it approach, and trust me, your future self will thank you for this one. Here's the scoop. I highly recommend setting up automatic transfers to a dedicated savings account, specifically earmarked for your emergency fund. This simple, yet powerful step ensures consistency in building your financial safety net. It's like having a personal financial assistant working tirelessly behind the scenes, helping you reach your goals without even lifting a finger. Now, why is automation the secret sauce? Well, life gets busy, and it's easy to get sidetracked. Automating your savings eliminates the need to manually move money around each month. It turns savings into a habit, and we all know that habits are the building blocks of success. By automating, you're making a commitment to yourself and your financial future, creating a seamless path toward achieving your emergency fund goals. Think of it this way: by setting up automatic transfers, you're giving your money a clear direction and telling it to march confidently towards your financial aspirations. So, let's explore the world of automated savings, unlock the potential of this financial superhero, and make building your emergency fund a breeze. Ready to witness the magic of automation? Let's dive in. Now that we're on the road to financial success, let's talk about where to park those hard-earned savings. Choosing the right savings vehicle for your emergency fund is like picking the perfect home for your money. It needs to be safe, accessible, and work for you. Let's explore the options. First off, you have the traditional savings account. It's like the dependable old friend, always there when you need it. Easily accessible with low to no fees, it provides a straightforward approach to building your emergency fund. However, the interest rates might not be as thrilling. Next in line, we have the money market account and other low-risk liquid assets. These are like the sophisticated cousins of traditional savings accounts. While they offer a bit more interest, they may come with slightly higher fees and sometimes require a higher minimum balance. It's all about finding the right balance that suits your financial goals and preferences. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Traditional savings accounts are easily accessible, but the interest might not make your money work as hard. Money market accounts offer a bit more interest, but you might have to navigate some fees. Consider factors like interest rates, accessibility, and fees when making your decision. Choosing the right savings vehicle is about aligning it with your financial strategy. Are you looking for quick access in case of emergencies, or are you willing to sacrifice a bit of accessibility for potentially higher returns? It's a balancing act, and today we're going to unravel the mysteries of these savings options to help you make an informed decision. Ready to choose the perfect home for your emergency fund? Let's explore together. Now that we've tackled the fundamentals of where to put your emergency fund, let's talk about the journey of building it. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a robust financial safety net. It's all about progress, not perfection. So, whether you're just starting out or revisiting your financial goals, the key here is to build incrementally. Starting small is not just okay, it's commendable. It's about taking that first step, no matter how modest, towards securing your financial future. Set a manageable goal that won't leave you feeling overwhelmed. This could be a percentage of your income or a fixed amount, whatever suits your current circumstances. The important thing is to get started. Now, here's the secret sauce to keeping that momentum going. Celebrate your milestones. Building your emergency fund is a journey, and every milestone, no matter how small, is a victory. Take a moment to pat yourself on the back when you reach a savings goal. It's not just about the destination, it's about appreciating the journey and staying motivated along the way. Think of it like climbing a staircase. Each step takes you closer to the top. So let's embrace the journey of building our emergency funds, starting small, celebrating those wins, and gradually increasing our contributions. By doing so, we're not just building financial resilience, we're also cultivating a positive mindset that will serve us well in the long run. Ready to embark on this journey of incremental financial growth? Let's make every step count. Now that our emergency fund is taking shape, let's address an important concept that sometimes gets overlooked: the relationship between our emergency fund and long-term investments. They're like two essential players on your financial team, each with a distinct role. Let's clarify their positions and ensure they work together seamlessly. First things first, let's clear the air. Your emergency fund is your financial superhero during unexpected crises, a flat tire, a medical emergency, or unexpected unemployment. It needs to be easily accessible, like a financial first responder, ready to spring into action when needed. This is where liquidity becomes paramount. Unlike long-term investments, which may take time to cash out, your emergency fund needs to be immediately available. Now let's talk investments. Your long-term investment portfolio is like the strategic visionary of your financial plan, working towards your future goals, be it retirement, education, or building wealth over time. While investments offer the potential for growth, they might not provide the quick access needed during emergencies. Here's the key takeaway. Maintain a clear line between your emergency fund and long-term investments. It's not an either-or situation. It's about creating a balanced financial ecosystem. Even as you actively invest for the future, keep your emergency fund separate and well-fueled. This ensures you're prepared for the unexpected without compromising your long-term financial goals. In the grand financial orchestra, your emergency fund and investments play different instruments, harmonizing to create a symphony of financial success. So let's master the art of balancing these financial dynamics, ensuring we're prepared for the unexpected while building a solid foundation for the future. Ready to conduct your financial masterpiece? Let's delve into this strategic dance between emergency funds and investments. As we're cruising through our journey of financial empowerment, there's a pit stop that's absolutely crucial: the checkpoint of reviewing and adjusting our emergency fund. Think of it as giving your financial plan a tune-up to ensure it's running smoothly, adapting to the twists and turns of life. Let's delve into why this regular assessment is your passport to sustained financial resilience. Firstly, life doesn't stand still, and neither should our financial plans. It's essential to remind ourselves and our viewers to periodically review and adjust their emergency fund. Changes in financial circumstances, living expenses, or income can happen. And this review process ensures your emergency fund remains aligned with your current situation. Life is dynamic, and our financial strategies need to reflect that dynamism. Maybe you've experienced a salary increase, a change in living arrangements, or welcomed a new addition to the family. Each of these scenarios can impact your financial needs and consequently your emergency fund requirements. So, here's the takeaway schedule: regular check-ins with your emergency fund. Treat it like a trusted companion that grows and evolves with you. By making this reviewing and adjusting process a habit, you're not just preparing for the unexpected, you're actively taking control of your financial destiny. Ready to steer your financial ship with confidence? Let's dive into the empowering practice of reviewing and adjusting our emergency funds. Now let's tackle a topic that's a common concern for many of us: dealing with debt. Your emergency fund isn't just a financial superhero for unexpected expenses. It can also play a pivotal role in managing and preventing debt. Let's explore how having a robust emergency fund acts as a shield, protecting you from the need for additional borrowing during tough times. Here's the scenario. Life throws a curveball, be it a medical emergency, a sudden car repair, or a job loss. Without a safety net, many turn to borrowing to navigate these challenges, adding another layer of financial stress. This is where your emergency fund steps in as a powerful ally, helping you steer clear of accumulating debt in the first place. By having a well-funded emergency fund, you're essentially creating a buffer zone. It provides you with the financial cushion to handle unexpected expenses without resorting to credit cards, personal loans, or other forms of borrowing. This proactive approach not only shields you from the pitfalls of debt, but also empowers you to maintain financial control even during challenging times. So let's view our emergency fund not just as a financial safety net, but as a strategic tool in our debt management arsenal. By building and maintaining this cushion, we're not only preparing for the unexpected, but also creating a debt-resistant foundation for our financial well-being. Ready to break free from the chains of debt and embrace a more financially liberated future? There you have it, guys, our deep dive into the world of emergency funds. From understanding their pivotal role in financial stability to crafting a personalized plan, we've covered it all. Remember, your financial journey is unique, and building an emergency fund is a powerful step toward achieving the peace of mind you deserve. As you embark on this journey, keep in mind that your emergency fund isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a lifestyle of financial resilience. Start small, celebrate your wins, and let your emergency fund be the superhero it's meant to be. I hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring. As we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, questions, or your own success stories in the comments below. Remember, financial empowerment is a journey, and you've taken a significant step today. Before we part ways, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more empowering content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Your journey to financial resilience has just begun, and I'm excited to continue supporting you every step of the way. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, stay financially savvy, stay inspired, and take charge of your financial destiny. See you in the next video.